Hi everybody! So in this video, we are going to answer the questions about how do I learn Chinese characters? Or maybe we can put it in this way. How is Chinese voyage character course taught? We will teach 3 characters per lesson for your easy digesting. And for every 6 lessons, we will have a unit review. For each character, we will learn pinyin, meanings, and most of the important things, a story to support you to understand and memorize this character. And of course, the daily commonly used words containing the character. For these parts, the character we have already learned will appear without any pinyin, and the not yet learned characters will appear as pinyin. And we will also learn how to write characters stroke by stroke. What's more, our course have prepared all the supporting materials you will need during the learning process. The course videos you can learn and review anytime and anywhere. And the flashcards for daily commonly used words of each lesson. Downloadable handout for your easy reviews and practice. Stroke writing sheets for writing practice. Post-lesson quiz to help you consolidate what you have learned. Are you ready to start your learning journey? Let's go to kick off your first 3 Chinese character lessons. Enjoy your learning and see you!